Okay, let us summarize classes and objects. Okay, and then we will talk about how inheritance in the next video, or probably in this video. Okay, we'll see. So classes are just blueprints. Okay, if you have, say, class, person, I can have any number of state variables, say age, height, weight. It could be any number. So these are state variables. Okay, they store the state of an object. And then I can have any number of methods. Okay, they also known as functions. All right, so I can have a function or method called get weight. It'll get me the weight of this person. Compute salary of this person. Compute taxes. It could be anything that you want to capture within this class. So, all right. So this is a class called person, and remember, this is just a blueprint. Nothing is made yet. Okay, just a blueprint. Nothing is poured concrete into this. Okay, so this is just a definition of a class. Remember, right? Okay, so you can bring life to this class, or instantiate this class, instantiate an object, okay, using this definition. All right, and every time you can instantiate as many objects as possible using this definition. All right, so we got the definition. Let's look into an object. So if I can define an object, the object is defined, say, S1. So S1 is an object of type class person. Okay, this is a class, and where is it defined? Where is it defined? Defined here, right? It's defined here. And what is S1? S1 is an object in memory. Remember that. In memory. So now you have given a life to this object, S1. So what is S1? Is an object of class person. So what does S1 has? You might ask. Age, right? Age is a member variable. We don't know the value yet. It has height. We don't know the value of height. We have weight. We don't know the value of weight. And it has lot of methods. All these methods we have. Get weight. Okay, let me just, for the sake of lack of space, I'll write here. It has get weight, function, compute salary. So it has all the information it needs, okay, to form an object, right? To form an object. So S1 is in memory, Alright, and I can define another object of person. Alright, say person S2. So S2 is a different memory location. Alright, let me, for the lack of memory space, I'll write here, or let me just erase the whole thing here. Let me write down small. So S1 is this memory location, and S2 is another memory location. Okay, very simple. So there are two different objects in memory locations, but they have the similar code. Alright, let's say the age of S1 is 69 and age of person is say 35. They can behave differently. Their behavior will be different. Alright, depending on the state variables. So we will now, in the next video, we'll look further. Okay, thank you.